So the next tool we will discuss here will be the analogous estimation. Analogous in dictionary means similar things. So you need to take similar in fact activities from the past project or from the previous project where they handled such complexity, and then we tend to estimate the activity duration and cost at hand. So and next it follows the top-down approach. Because it follows the top-down approach, so it is less costly and less time consuming. It is applicable when less information is available, and it is more reliable when we take a reference project or reference activities, and if those different activities which comes from the historical projects matches the current activities, then analogous estimation will provide a reasonable degree of satisfaction or confidence in the current estimation process. So the next estimation technique will be the parametric estimation. The parametric estimation, we will use an algorithm which is used to calculate the duration or cost based on the historical data or the project parameters. The duration or cost is equals to the number of units multiplied by the unit rate. The number of units can be, we can say, the number of lines of codes. The unit rate is derived from the historical data. The unit rate expressed in the cost multiplied by the number of units will give you the estimated cost. Now, if we take the parametric estimation to estimate the duration to complete a software, it will be equals to the number of function points multiplied by the number of labor hours required to complete a function point worth of a work. Similarly, the estimated cost will be in dollars required to complete a construction project will be equals to the number of square foot multiplied by the cost per square foot. For example, if we say that $100 it takes to complete per square multiplied the number of square foot gives you the estimated cost required to complete a construction project. So in this way we can calculate the duration and cost at the project level. So the important point here we need to know is we can apply this parametric estimation either a total project level or segment of project level, or we can say at the activity level. This activity of parametric estimation provides high level of accuracy depending upon the accuracy built in measuring the number of units and determining the unit rate in the previous projects.